Oh, anyway, see while I was back there, I'd get this patch out, I'd treat the panel. Saw it in that last one, so some self-acting primer back there. I already treated everything. I'm going to be painting anyway. Write that down real quick. Just a little bit of protection. Why not? It's more than this truck ever had in 23 years of its existence. Just did one quick coat. I let it dry. And I'll shoot another one because I know I missed some spots. Let's see, yeah, definitely missing spots, but hey, I'll be oiling it and taking care of these patches as long as I own this truck. Maybe give the next guy another chance to do something if he cares. But I had wire wheeled it and I put about an hour's worth of getting most of that rust back off there. Alright then, back to the getting this patch ready to spot weld in. See you on the next one.